I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill tax return form, only way. Start by collecting all income records like Form 1099 and W-2, plus receipts for deductions, then choose the right form, use reliable software or professional help, enter income amounts accurately, claim eligible deductions and credits, double-check Social Security numbers and bank routing, and save a PDF copy for your records before submitting electronically to reduce errors and speed processing. Begin by entering wages and salary exactly as they appear on Form W-2. Then add 1099 income in the proper categories like independent contractor or interest. Include any taxable refunds and benefits, and verify each amount against your statements. Use line-by-line prompts in your software. Apply withholding amounts from forms, and note any estimated payments you made. Keep explanations brief and accurate for audit clarity and reconciliation. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tax guidance. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love these leak-proof containers for busy days when you're juggling receipts and snacks. They keep lunches tidy between filing sessions and reduce spills on documents. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Pick one up if it helps you stay organized. And now let's get back to the video. Decide whether to take the standard deduction or itemize based on which lowers your tax most. Then gather proof for items like mortgage interest, medical costs, and donations. Check eligibility for credits such as the child tax credit or earned income credit, and apply them on the correct lines. Use worksheets to compute totals, avoid mixing personal and business expenses, and document calculations to simplify future amendments or audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.